Hey, good evening. This is Andrew, your bearded giant, and I'm going to do a quick little maintenance sharp on my chainsaw, and I'm going to show you my new tool that I just picked up a few months ago, and it is fantastic. I bought two of them and gave one to my brother Gary over at the Bearded Woodworker. So here, let me show you my relatively new toy. Here we go. Alright, so this is the Still 2-in-1 sharpening tool, and it's a 2-in-1 because it sharpens two things at one time. There's a round file for the tooth, and then there is a flat file here for the depth gauge. Let me demonstrate. Line it up. Give it a drag. Line it up. Give it a drag. So what's cool with this is it sharpens both the tooth right here and the depth gauge here. So this controls how deep your cut goes. Normally I'd have to file the tooth and the depth gauge separately, but I do that all in one go. And it doesn't seem like a big deal, but it's a game changer. It really is. All right. So I'm going to link a couple of those things I used down in the description. I was having a little fun tonight with my GoPro. This is my first time using it, so it's only going to get better from here. Thanks. Peace out.